Every control plane has a tipping point. We call it latency gravity. Orchestration wins when the workflow is short. Choreography wins when the teams are many. The cliff is when coordination cost eclipses throughput. Look at the typical control stack. You have Kubernetes driving reconciliation, Nginx handling fan-in, and Docker amplifying density. Under load, the orchestrator becomes a bottleneck. It has to manage state, retry queues, and synchronous calls to downstream services. When latency spikes, the reflex is to autoscale the orchestrator. But throwing more pods at a coordination problem just burns compute. In code, this means burying idempotent logic inside massive Go handlers. Your services spend all their time waiting for acknowledgements and deduplicating retries. A single API request to an orchestration endpoint might result in a queued workflow with massive latency before it even starts. This creates an adaptive fan-out nightmare. The orchestrator is locked in synchronous loops with multiple services at once. The tipping point is the moment your control plane spends more time coordinating than executing. Past that, choreography becomes the pressure valve. Instead of a massive dependency galaxy where one service dictates order creation, payments, and shipments, you introduce an event bus. The gateway simply emits an event, and independent services react asynchronously. Plotting the coordination cost curve reveals the crossover. Control plane latency